smile makes you beautiful. And beautiful teeth makes a smile beautiful. We at City Dental Center have treated more than 10,000 patients, received recommendations of over 1,200 patients from Practo, and are one of the best dental clinics in Noida and Ghaziabad. Dr. Anurag Ahuja, dental surgeon, prosthodontist, and implantologist, is the founder and chairman of City Dental Center and Institute.
I started this chain of clinics in 2012. Here we majorly believe in patient satisfaction. We have a team of specialized dentists under one roof. We have a goal of opening 5 more clinics in Delhi NCR by the end of 2020.
City Dental Centers are centrally air-conditioned with 100% power backup, secured with CCTV surveillance, and have well-maintained facility in terms of hygiene, state-of-the-art machines, and modern equipment. Since the establishment of City Dental Center in 2010, each year we have been committed to generate awareness about oral care through our free dental checkup camps once a month. City Dental Center has received the Branch Achievers Awards 2015 for expertise in dental care. We are also a National Dental Excellence Award winner. Dr. Anurag Ahuja strongly believes in patient care, not only during treatment, but post-treatment as well. He says that the greatest asset is the faith of our patients that we have earned, and we are proud to serve our patients with confidence, care, love, and precision. At our clinic, we ensure that all the patients get the right treatment, right advice, right medication, and at the right price.
We opened this group of clinics with the sole purpose of establishing as many healthy mouths as possible, and also to educate our patients regarding the latest techniques and technologies available in the dental field.
The amount of work satisfaction is up to the mark here. We solely believe in work ethics, and the quality of sterilization levels is up to the international mark.
City Dental Center has an incomparable combination of robust infrastructure and a team of diligent doctors who have pledged to serve all patients with care. Our dental care facility could be termed as a one-stop solution for all the dental and oral health problems. We are also a preferred destination for foreign clients seeking high-end dental treatment in India. We have a stronghold in prime locations of Noida Sector 61, Sector 110, Sector 36, and also in Crossing Plaza Market, Ghaziabad. So spread the happiness and celebrate with a wide smile with City Dental Center